In this video, we're going to get ready for our multi-site blog farm. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up our front-end site. If we were to go and look at the site right now, we have the standard WordPress stuff going on here. We have the Hello World and the sample page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and make some quick changes. So first of all, we're going to go into posts, all posts, and then we're going to delete this. Just hit trash. Go into pages, all pages, and we'll trash this as well. Okay, now we're going to add a new page. And we'll just say whatever we need. I'm going to just create a quick intro page that's going to be our home page. Okay, so there's a quick page. Let's go to screen options. Alright. Let's click publish in. Okay, now let's go to settings and then reading. Now we're going to set our static home page and make it our home page. Just select it here. Save. Okay, now let's go to discussion. Set up the way we want this to work. And I'm going to turn this off, but you can set this any way you want it. I like to turn these two off here, and then just decide how you want comments to work for your own blog. Do you want them to have to register or whatnot? Just fill it out the way you want here. Should have done that before we made the post, because now if we look on here, let's go to edit, and let's go up to screen options again, and then let's click discussion, and now down here you'll see these are checked, so let's turn them off and update. Okay, so here now, let's visit the site. There is our home page. Now next you want to think about your theme. Remember, if you add a theme, then it's going to be available for everybody. If it's available to you, it's available to everybody else as well. So you can either add a custom theme now, or you can change the look of the one that's here. One thing to note though, if you edit the code, it's edited on all sites, but you can change that with a plugin called Custom CSS. I'm not going to go over that here. That's an advanced function. Okay, let's go back to dashboard and let's add a theme. So here to network admin, go to themes and add new. And then let's do a search for our subject. You can do it here, or you could do it in Google if you want to do it that way. Just download it to your computer and use upload. Works the same way, but we're going to do it from within first. Let's try camping. Let's try something else here. Let's try RV. Okay, I don't really like any of these. So what I'm going to do is going to go to Google and I'm going to search for themes here. So WordPress RV theme. Okay, and then you can go through the search results and see if you can find one. You may find free or paid ones. So if you're looking for free ones, we should put the word free in front to get just free ones. Let's have a look. I don't even see anything here. Let's go back here. put free in front of here. I don't want to pay for one right now. Let's see what we can find here. So go through and we'll find one we like. Okay, so here's one. Let's have a look. Just use the live theme preview. It shows us what it looks like. Have a look through it and see if you like it. If we decide we want to go with it, then we can download it. Okay, back. I'm gonna use this one as an example. So I'm gonna download it. And as you see down the bottom left, it's downloading. Now back to WordPress. And then use upload at the top here, or add new. And then upload. Now we find the file on our site, or on our computer. Choose it. And now we install the theme. Okay, now we would have to network activate it. If we don't do that, then it's not available anywhere. Let's just have a look, and you'll see when we get to themes that it's not going to be there. As you see, it's not there, so we have to activate it in the network admin area and under themes. Okay, so now we need to do a network activate or network enable. Now back to our main admin area. There it is there. So let's activate it. Now let's go have a look. And here it is here. You can see there's some other things we should tweak here. Let's go back to themes and widgets. And then customize this the way you want it. So let's have a look. Looks like these are the things we need here. There's a bunch of different widget areas you can use on this one as well. So set it up the way you like. I'm not going to do too much. It just looks good to me. That's all we need. Let's go back and have another look for a sec here. Now I'm going to take the search off because there's one built in. I don't really need the widget there as well. The rest of it looks okay. Actually, archives is on here twice. So we'll take out search and archives. And then there's some other hard-coded stuff in here as well. We could either change the code on the theme or choose a different theme if we want to make it different. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything there. I'm just going to remove the two areas here, search and archives. So let's go back to the widget area. And let's just move those out of here. And now that should be all I need to do. Let's go back and have a look now. Visit site. Okay, so we got rid of those. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to enable the registration. So network dashboard, and then we need to go to settings and network settings. Now we have to enable it so that other users can register for our site. In this case, because I'm making a blog farm and I want them to be able to create their own blogs. So that's my aim. So what we have to do is change the options here. So I want to let them do both. sites and user accounts can be registered. But you pick it the way you want it to work. Whether you want the site administrators to be able to add users to their own sites using the add users. You have band names, limited email registrations, lots of things you can do here. Make sure people don't use certain domains. For instance, you don't want to use yahoo.com or something like that. Put it in there. And you have your welcome emails you can change. The first post, that's the first post that appears on their blog by default. So you can change that if you want. These are all the defaults right now that are created. You can limit upload space, so X number of megabytes if you want to change that. You can change the types of files they're allowed to upload, max uploads per file, and you can enable the administration of plugins. So if you want them to be able to administer their own plugins, you can just click this here, and then you'll be able to do that. Let's save the changes. Okay, so now let's go our site front end. Let's log out. And now let's register. Well, we'll go back and register. Okay, now go in here. So you see here the username, email address, and then they can either have a site or just a username. Okay, so this is how they set up their own sites. Okay, in the next video we're going to go through setting up a network site.